Now, we are having progress. Here's a rag I was wiping them off with. See how much progress we've made just today. I mean, just today. With 10 puppies, I'm not going to be able to feed them out of one bowl for long. And they look like a flower. They've really made progress about coming to the bowl and not falling in it. You're full. Although there's plenty. And this little boy, he's running around the kitchen. He thinks he's big britches. Yeah, you're full. See, that's the turtle belly. Okay, I'm going to clean you up in a minute. And then some of them like to step in it. Some of them just can't find the pan. The two are better. William's getting big. Maybe give him a little more milk. No, I do want them to eat this meat. It'll last them all night long. This is like 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's their last feeding. I haven't shredded this. Oh, great. Now, all you guys did is walk over here and spill your water, so I've changed the paper again. Yep, I think you're full. Let me get a rag and wash you up.